Welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another video. So if you guys want a cute, simple, quick and easy hairstyle, stay tuned for this video because I'm going to show you guys how I like to do my curly high bun. And just bear in mind my hair is a bit knotted from a twist out, but I'm still going to show you guys how I like to do my bun. So yeah, let's get into it. I really used to do this hairstyle like every day for school basically. My hair was never out in school, but so first step is I'm going to comb out my hair because my hair is usually in a side part. So I'm just going to comb it all the way back. Bear in mind my hair is knotted. Yes, I know it's because my hair was in a twist out, but yeah.
Like all the girls around me do their faces and they're saying no. Life is just a game, but I'm not playing.
So because I'm trying to avoid using like hair gels, I'm using the curl elongating gel by fLTVY Naturals.
You're worth the chase, your body now. It's alright, I'm not dangerous. When you're mine, I'll be generous. You're irreplaceable, collectible, just like fine China. Took me a while to find your love. Ain't no amount of time in this world.
So from this point, I'm just going to gather all my hair really high on top of my head and brush my hair into place.
Telling you belong to me. No. It's alright. I'm not dangerous. When you're mine, I'll be generous. You're irreplaceable, collectible, just like mine. Oh, baby, does he do it for you? When he's finished, does he step back and adore you? I just gotta know, 'cause your time is money and I won't let him waste it.
Guys, when I tell you at this point my arms were aching, I was just tired.
Go with it, 'cause when you're with me I can't explain it. It's just different. We can take.
Using a hair tie, I'm just going to tie all my hair up together into like a loose bun. So I'm just tying it, and then on the last tie I'm not pulling my hair through all at the same time, if that makes sense. You guys are gonna see and it should make more sense as I'm doing it.
You're worth the chase, your body now. It's alright, I'm not dangerous. When you're mine, I'll be generous. You're irreplaceable, collectible, just like fine.
So here I'm just adjusting the bun just to how I like it, making sure there's certain parts that are sticking out. I'll tuck them in, and then I'll start by doing my edges. So with this style I don't like dramatic edges, so I just do a few edges and you guys will see it soon anyways.
He's so replaceable. You're worth the chase, your body now. It's alright, I'm not dangerous. When you're mine, I'll be generous. You're irreplaceable,
that's how I like to do my, I kind of call it like a messy curly bun, because it's not like, my hair isn't brushed out, so it doesn't look that neat. So it's like, yeah, that's how I do my curly high messy bun. And I kind of showed you guys how I kind of do my edges, but that's not how I always do my edges, bear in mind. But yeah, stay tuned for more hair tips, hairstyles and reviews.